The years that have gone, the people that have gone before us, the jerseys that have gone before us to have what will be the jersey that you guys will wear this season. So.
Let's go.
Again today, the session is only 45 minutes, so it's not a long session. It's short and sharp, and that includes a warm-up. God damn it!
It'll be green in 30 seconds, then we'll be yellow in 15 seconds, and we'll be blue. 2, 1, go.
Outstanding, man. Go, Nick.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
That last like 38 was hanging on.
How was it?
Very week one. Very not good.
Five.
Sprint. What point?
Good way to finish the week. It's been a hard week, I guess. Pretty good way to finish it. What do you think?
Awesome week. Boys have been working hard. Actually, everyone's been working hard. The whole staff, coaching, players. So it's a really good way to finish. There's some good salads out there. I can spot a little bit of KFC, I think it is, but I'll be going for that one first.
Don't tell a nutritionist.
Yeah.
What was your contribution?
I made a salad. Yeah, I got up early in the morning. I thought your boys have made an effort throughout the week, so I made an effort to make a salad. Very nutritious, cucumber, capsicum, egg, salad leaves.
Old family recipe?
Yeah, and homemade mayonnaise.
What do we call it? The Kidwell salad?
We can call it that, yeah, definitely, yeah.
Did you run up the hill or you just watching?
I ran halfway up the hill, yeah, and then old age started to set in. Calves started to get tight, so I had to, pull out, unfortunately.
Beautiful day today. You didn't expect this weather, did you?
I love it. This is the true Dunedin weather, isn't it?
You're telling me, mate. Good work.
Okay,
thanks, brother.